Hello friends, welcome to Thursday's video. So this is actually Dominos part 2, which is French for 2, in case you didn't know. Anyway, last time that I made this box was for the tarot cards, but I had a thought, and I don't know if it is a good thought, but we will try it and see whether or not you could fit an entire set of dominoes into this set, or this box. So I'm gonna give it a shot. We will see if it works. As with Tuesday's video, I did a galaxy theme. I'm gonna do the galaxy theme with this one too. AKA, I have poured Tuesdays and Thursdays videos at the same time. Shh, don't tell anyone. Anyway, so yeah, hopefully this box turns out better than the last one. I'm not going to fill these as much as I did the last time that I did this mold set. I will, in the iCard, place that link. So that being said, let's get to pouring, okay? Okay. Alright friends, so these are cured. I just demolded the Dominos from Tuesday's video, but let's pop these babies out. I'm excited to see how they look. It does look like I will have to sand just a little bit on the top and bottom. Because even though I tried to limit how much resin I put in there, it does look like I may have put just a little bit too much because I can tell that there's a little edge here. But anywho, let's go ahead and demold this. I remember last time I was having a little bit of trouble getting it started, but there we go. I do like that the coloration looks better than the Domino's did. Oh, we got a big old bubble right there. Oh, that sucks. Let me flip this back the way it should go. Okay. It's very, very pretty, the inside is. The back side, again, has that weird ledge. And the other reason, I'm not sure that I mentioned it in my last video where I made this box, but if you look at this top portion, yeah, it's filled with bubbles because it's hard as hell to get your heat gun to pop all of these micro bubbles. But also, it's a matte finish around this top edge, which is why I feel like it should not be filled up as much as I did. I'm going to take some sandpaper to this box though and see if I can't smooth it down and possibly fill in that rather large bubble that I have. But the inside looks great, so I'm happy about that. Just remember, when you're sanding your resin, you want to be wearing a mask. Not a respirator that's for vapors, but a respirator specifically designed for dust. Because you do not want to inhale resin dust. You're just asking for serious health problems at that point. Okay, again, some very large bubbles. I gotta figure out how to better pour this so that I can actually reach those bubbles before they become a major issue. Because, yeah, you got 1, 2, 3. So, yeah, 3 huge bubbles, a couple of smaller ones here and there. But again, the coloration turned out fantastic. I'm curious to see if the Dominoes will fit in here. Like if all the Dominoes will fit in here, I should say. I still have to finish these off. So if you're watching this after Tuesday, then you will have seen that in my glamour shots, I did finish these off. Okay. We might be able to get all of them in here. I'm not going to say absolutely just yet. Again, it's a box is a box is a box, so wow. And that's all of them. And then we just plop our lid on, and they all fit in the box. So yes, I'm going to, like I said, sand this down, probably pop some UV resin into these huge bubbles to see if I can't fix that. And then, yeah, the set will be complete. I got some blue on me. I don't know where the heck that came from. Oh, there must have been a chunk of mica. Ah! Okay, anyway, so that is today's video. Just trying to, there we not make it so loud when I dump those out. Anyway, that is today's video. If you enjoyed it, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. It really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you all so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.